Hi, this is Selena Hopkins with Lobber Shop and Construction Equipment, a Superior Equipment Solutions company. Tonight we're going to take a look at the LiuGong 922F. It's a 22-ton excavator, 158 horsepower, Cummins engine, a lot of power. This thing is meant for serious dirt work, land clearing. If a contractor is looking for a $50,000 machine with parts, warranty, and service support, this machine is worth a serious look. We've got this for sale in stock. I'm going to demonstrate it for you, and we've got $30,000 off dealer cash incentive. So give us a call. That's our 4th of July special. We'd love for you to come visit us here in Wilkesboro. Come test this machine out. See for yourself why contractors are choosing this brand. 3-year, 4,000 hour, full complete warranty. 5-year, 7,000 hour powertrain and hydraulic warranty. That's the best powertrain warranty globally. Let's take a look at this machine. Let's take a look at the LiuGong 922F from the inside. All right, let's crank it up. All right, here we go.